Hey everyone, Dean Park Tracker here with a quick update on the much needed repaint on Xcelerator at Knott's Berry Farm. We've learned more about this repaint since the last update. The park seems to be going for a multicolored track instead of painting it all red like we originally thought in the last update. The dark gray sections of the track that were thought to be paint primer is actually the finalized color for those sections of the track. What the park has decided to do here is interesting, and probably never seen on a paint job for a coaster. Leading in and out of the dark gray sections, the park decided to go with some sort of flame effect. Based on community speculation, the gray sections are supposed to replicate road asphalt. It makes sense since the theming of Xcelerator is themed to retro cars and racing. So now I guess the idea is to add flame paint, the orange and yellow transitions, when the train reaches the track towards the ground, and again when it takes off from the ground. The idea is great in concept, and in person, the orange and yellow transitions actually look really good. One problem that I've noticed from community feedback is the dark gray portions are receiving mixed thoughts. I think it works fine for the transitions from the launch track and then into the final brake run, but the low to the ground portion after the top hat is the weirdest one. They shouldn't have painted the transition too high and lowered where you see the dark gray, possibly making the orange and yellow segment longer so guests could still see the color transition from the midways, which I'm sure was the idea of placing the dark gray paint so high so guests could see the transitions. I imagine the people who finalized this paint job didn't realize how it would actually look once on the track. If they were to fix one part of the repaint, it would have to be that middle gray section. Perhaps make it all yellow with longer orange transitions into the red, while leaving the launch and brake run gray. Comment down below your thoughts on if you like the repaint so far, and if not, what could they do to improve it? The park is almost done with this repaint. The launch track is being carefully painted gray. Painting around those launch fins and cable tube must be a difficult task. They're also going ahead and repainting the supports to their original light blue color instead of the teal that many have become accustomed to seeing. Overall, this paint job looks much better in person, especially the flame transitions. Seeing it in videos and behind the dirty sky cabin windows just doesn't do the paint job justice. Same scenario with the Tatsu repaint at Magic Mountain. Xcelerator is expected to reopen December 17th, where the track paint job should be done and most of the supports, which they still had quite a few to finish when this was filmed. Rain might have delayed this repaint by a few days, but the ride itself should be open for the holiday crowds. Well, that's all for this update. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.